Hello there. Welcome to another edition of Nick's Friction Zone. I have another tip of the day for you. Check out these 3 videos. Here's the first one.
Bro, why she gotta be so sassy?
Bam. Now, check out the second video.
Get fucking wrecked. Get fucking wrecked.
Aha. Okay, can you tell a pattern? There's a pattern emerging here. Check out this last video. This motorcycle rider actually ended up hurting himself pretty good. He broke his collarbone and sprained his wrist. So yeah, this is a real thing. It's dangerous. Alright guys, if you watched all 3 videos, it should be pretty clear to you what's going on, what the pattern is. There's a bad habit forming, which is duck walking your motorcycle. Guys, just remember, motorcycles are not meant to be duck walked. What makes this even worse is that these 3 riders were trying to duck walk their motorcycle while attempting to make a turn. Okay, so anytime you try to make a turn from a stop position, and if you duck walk, there's a very high chance that you'll drop your bike. Okay, if you need to make a turn, just make sure that you approach the intersection, look both ways to make sure that you have the right of way, get locked into a specific position of where you want to be headed, and commit. Just commit and go. All right, so another thing to keep in mind is these riders that are tempted to duck walk probably don't have a good feel for their friction zone. That's the actual root of the problem, not being able to feather your friction zone correctly or well. If you have a good feel for the friction zone, you should never ever have to duck walk your motorcycle. Okay. Alright folks, just wanted to give you a quick illustration of what I'm talking about. When you reach an intersection, make sure you look both ways, make sure you have the right of way. Most importantly, lock into your position, look straight ahead, commit and go. It's all about having good command of your friction zone and having confidence of where you're headed. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have for today. Until next time, take care. Bye.